I think we're going to start with the boneless chicken. I did want their new golden sauce, but they had none. So we're just going to go sweet and sour. It's really cool. It's not it's straight. It was like kind of it's a little bit oily. I don't know, they're pretty fresh. Alrighty, now we're going to do the chicken on a bone. Here is a new tower burger. Holy crap. That is huge. So it's got a hash brown, sauce, cheese, lettuce, and the zinger fillet. Let's get into it. Oh. It's fresh. I don't know what to say about this burger besides it tastes exactly like a zinger burger, and I can't even taste the hash brown on it. And what sauce is it meant to be? It's a little bit spicy, but that could be because I've got a zinger. Oh. Kind of forget the hash brown is like even on this burger, and it might be because like the chicken patty is huge. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like it is massive. So it might be because of the size of the patty why the hash brown kind of goes to see you later. You don't exist. Good hash brown. I'm gonna go. What sauce am I making? What's mayonnaise? Okay, I don't know. I think maybe it's a pretty big like patty on mine, right? Yeah. So I'm just missing. I don't know. Already lost by. No. Oh no. I'm gonna finish them. I tried. I really tried. Back onto the wings. This is fresh, honest, spicy, whatever.